Hello dear students, we have one question, that is, if a matrix A, B, C 1 minus A is a idempotent matrix and f of x is equal to x minus x square and BC is equal to 1 by 4, then the value of 1 divided by f of A is, okay, we need to find the value of 1 divided by f of A. Now to find the value of 1 divided by f of A, what we can do, use the major condition in the given question. What they are saying, the given matrix is idempotent matrix. What is the meaning of idempotent matrix? We know that if a to the power n is equal to, A, then A is called idempotent matrix. We should remember the condition for the given condition. To say that the given matrix is an idempotent matrix, it should satisfy this condition, that is a to the power n is equal to n, which means you multiply the given matrix A any number of times, it remains the same. That is the meaning of idempotent matrix. Clear? With the help of this condition, we are about to find. Now we are assuming that the given matrix is A. So let A is equal to A, B, C 1 minus A. Now since we have already considered the condition for idempotent matrix, that is a to the power n is equal to A. Now let us find the value of A square, which means we are about to find matrix multiplication. By multiplying the given matrix twice, let us see what we will get. So we all know very well how to do matrix multiplication, that is multiplying row into column with the corresponding elements. I repeat again, matrix multiplication is nothing but multiplying row into column with the corresponding elements. How we will multiply? See, we multiply first element with first element. First row, first column of the first matrix will be multiplied by first row, first column of the second matrix, and then B will be multiplied with C. So this is how we multiply row into column with the corresponding elements. So when we multiply in such a way, we get A into A is A square. A into A is A square. Okay, and then B into C is BC plus BC. So first row, first column we have multiplied. Then let us multiply first row, second column. A into B is AB. Followed by that, A into B is AB. Then B into A minus 1. B into A minus 1 is nothing but plus B minus AB we will get. So here plus AB minus AB both will be cancelled. Similarly, now multiply second row with first column. When we multiply second row with first column, C into A is nothing but AC. Then C into 1 minus A or 1 minus A into C, so that we get plus C minus AC. So here plus AC minus AC both will get cancelled. Now we will multiply second row with second column. C into B is BC. 1 minus A into 1 minus A plus 1 minus A the whole square we will get. Okay. Now let us continue in the next step. So when I try to simplify the same, we get the value of A square. What are the elements of A square we found? So A square plus BC. And then here after cancelling AB and AB, we are left with only B. And then second row first column is only C. And second row second column elements are BC plus 1 minus A the whole square. So BC plus expand 1 minus A the whole square. What is 1 minus A the whole square? This is in the form of A minus B whole square formula. So that we can write A square plus B square minus 2AB. Accordingly, I had written. So I have found the value of A square. And we have written the condition that A to the power n is equal to A only. So now I will equate A square with A. A square with A because A is idempotent matrix. Because A is idempotent matrix. So with the help of this condition, I am equating A square and A. What is A square matrix? A square plus BC. C, B, BC plus 1 plus A square minus 2A. I had written the elements of matrix A square. And now I am equating this one with matrix A. What are the elements of matrix A? Matrix A elements are A, B, C, 1 minus A. So now, in between these two matrices, we have equal sign. What does it mean? It means that the given two matrices are equal. When do we say that the given two matrices are equal? It should satisfy two major conditions. Condition number one, order of the matrix must be same and the corresponding element should be equated. See here, in the LHS we have 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. Even in the RHS also we have 2 by 2 rows. 2 rows, 2 columns. So now what we can do, the corresponding elements can be compared. See here, B is equal to B and then C is equal to C. So these two elements are corresponding elements are same. Now either by equating first row first column of the first matrix will be equated with first row first column of the second matrix. Now assume I am equating the corresponding elements. A square plus BC is equal to A. And even you can compare second row, second column of the first matrix with the second row, second column of the second matrix element. Corresponding elements can be equated accordingly, I am saying. So I will try to find out the value of A from this equation. Bring this A to the left hand side so that we get A square minus A plus BC is equal to 0 we will get. And however they had given the value of BC. What is the value of BC? 1 by 4. I will substitute. A square minus A plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. What is the reason? The reason is BC value is equal to 1 by 4. Accordingly, I have substituted. Now take LCM and simplify. You will get the quadratic equation. So that we get 4A square minus 4A plus 1 whole divided by 4 is equal to 0. Later on, the denominator 4 will be multiplied with RHS of the 0, cross multiplication. So 4 into 0 will become 0. Now we found the quadratic equation. We should find the roots of the quadratic equation. By multiplying first and last term, we get plus 4A square, which means by multiplying any two terms, we should get 4A square. By subtracting those two terms, we should get minus 4A. Which are those two terms? Can I consider minus 2A and minus 2A? See, minus into minus is plus. 2 into 2 is 4. A into A is A square. By multiplying these two terms, we are getting plus 4A square. And by subtracting these two, we are getting minus 4A. So, I will split the middle term. 4A square minus 2A plus 1 is equal to 0. From the first two terms, we can take 2A as a common, remaining is another 2A minus 1. From the next two terms, I am taking minus 1 is common, remaining is 2A minus 1 is equal to 0. Again, from these two terms, we can take 2A minus 1 is common, remaining is another 2A minus 1 only. So these two are one another the same. So we can say 2A minus 1 is equal to 0. From this, we found the value of A. Value of A is 1 by 2. What is our intention? Our intention is to find the value of 1 divided by f of A. However, you found the value of A. Substitute this in the given equation. What is the given equation? F of x is equal to x minus x square is given. If f of x is equal to x minus x square, then substitute the value of A. To find the value of f of A, just replace the value of x by A. Put x is equal to A so that we will get f of A. F of A is equal to, what is f of A? A minus A square we will get. Now substitute the value of A. Value of A is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square is nothing but 1 by 4. If I take LCM, we get 4. Numerator will become 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 4. If f of A is 1 by 4 means what is 1 divided by f of A? This is our intention. We need to find the value of 1 divided by f of A. So I will consider 1 divided by f of A is equal to 1 divided by f of A. Value of f of A is 1 by 4. Denominator of denominator will go to numerator. Accordingly, we will get 4. This implies that 1 divided by f of A is equal to 4. This is our required answer. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching my video.